Here's our learning target. I can introduce a topic clearly. So you're on the part now where it says introduction. Click here to begin writing your blog draft. You can type it or write it on paper. I'm going to write it, or I'm going to type it. If you want to write it on paper, you're still going to have to look at this. But you'll be able to write on paper if that's something easier for you. So this is my organizer, and it says I need to write a 4-sentence introduction, 3 sentences using a short story as an example of your cause, and a thesis sentence. Thesis sentence is just what I'm trying to convince people of. So I've been looking a little bit at having year-round school. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this. Remember that I need to write 3 sentences. So I'm going to write like a little mini story to hook the reader's attention about my cause. So I could say, so I first need to think about who my audience is. So who am I trying to convince that we should have year-round school? Well, there's a lot of people I could convince. There are students that I could convince about that. But I'm going to actually try to convince adults, because adults are the ones that would really be deciding, are we going to have year-round school? So I'm going to think about what could grab their attention. So I might say something like this. Imagine a teacher in a classroom at the beginning of a school. It takes a few weeks to get students ready to learn their rules and procedures. Now the students are ready to learn. Teacher. Actually, you know what? I don't know if I like where this is going. I might change it to something else. A teacher is assessing students. I'll start like this. It is the beginning of the school year. A teacher is assessing students' reading level and finds the student has dropped 2 levels. The teacher is frustrated. 2 levels from last year. Teacher is frustrated as she knows she has to get the student caught up to where he was. What if there was a way to avoid this? So I know it said 3 sentences, but I'm going to go with 4. Or actually, I could say as a teacher is assessing a student's reading level at the beginning of the school year. Now I need my thesis sentence. This is why we need year-round school. So you can see that my first 3 sentences are a little story that connect to my thesis of this is why we need year-round school. So that is how you write an introduction.